Hello, in this tutorial we will set up Firebase with Flutter. Let's create the new project on Firebase console. Click on the Android icon to connect this app to Firebase. Okay, so now creating the new Flutter project on Android Studio or Visual Code. Go to the manifest file which is inside the Android folder. First we will add the Android package name which is inside the Android manifest file. Now we will add the sh1 key which is optional for now, but we will add this as this will be used for the future. Now click on the tool, then go to the Flutter, then open Android module in Android Studio. Okay, click on the Gradle button, then go to the task, then Android, and click on the sending report. This will create the sh1 key. Next step is to download Google Services JSON file. Now we will add this file inside the app folder which is inside the Android folder. First we will add the following dependencies on the project level Gradle. Now the next step is to add these dependencies on the app level Gradle. Now we have successfully added the Firebase to the Flutter. Now let's check it out. Now we will set up the real-time database to check whether the Firebase is working or not. Create the database. Now coming to the code section, first we will add the two dependencies. First one is Firebase core and the second one is Firebase database. facing any problems, you can ask me in the comment section or you can email me.